Dear students, before I discuss the question answers from chapter 5, Victory in Friendship, I would like to tell you something about this one. Okay, though I have already discussed with you, yet today we will be seeing this appreciation, appreciating the poem. Okay, here we can see at page number 73. In the poet says that the waves snatched away stray sand from the shore. So what did the waves do? The waves are snatching away what is that? The sand. What kind of sand? The stray sand. Stray in the sense a loose sand, it is just taking. According to the poet, the waves are like people because they can snatch away stray sands particles from the beach. Some poets describe non-living things as if they are human beings to make their poems interesting. So here we see that non-living things are given life so as to make the writing interesting. So now I think you got a little bit of idea what the poet is trying to say here. Let us move on to the exercise number B. What was the speaker doing? So as we have already seen in the previous day, in the first page itself, first page in the sense the first line of this poem we see, I sat by the ocean and observed the giant waves proceed and soar. With each surge of water, stray sand was snatched from the shore. So we can answer the first questions right from the first stanza. So dear students, I ask you, at least try to write the answer, though I am not going to send the answer, yet you must also start writing to see whether your ideas and my ideas, the answer which I am giving it to you is quite similar or not. Enough that the points are there in order to support your answer. I appreciate that quite many of you have written the answer on your own. So I ask, all those of you are trying to write the answer on your own, make sure that you write and just give an attempt to it. Let us move on to the next question. Why did the pebbles and shells have to fight against the waves? So why do these pebbles and the shells have to fight against the waves? Just because they were attacked by the waves in order to destroy them. So they fight back in order to save themselves from the mighty waves. Number 3, how did the crab stop itself from getting washed away? So what is the reason? We see it in the page number 72, last stanza. Here it says, the love that bound the rock and the crab challenged the ocean's might. So these two lines you have to make use in writing the answer. So the crab stopped itself from getting washed away just because he had the connection. He had the love with the rock. That means they had a firm relation, firm friendship with each other, which could not allow themselves to be washed away by the mighty waves. So that is question number 3. Now let us go on to question number 4. What does the poem say about friendship? So what does the poet say about this? We can see this answer from page number 72, right in the beginning, just soon after reading. Read this poem to know how love and friendship can be more powerful than the ocean. So dear students, please try to write the answer from there. And we have in the last 2 lines of this poem. If we two hold our friendship close, victory will grace us. So that is what the poet wants to say here. What does the poet say about your friendship? He says that if our friendship is firm, if our relation is strong, if your friendship is genuine enough, then no matter whatever the problem comes on our way, we will be easily tackling those problems or the tensions or the worries whichever comes on our way. So I hope okay, all these 4 questions are okay, easy now to be answered. Still, if you face problems, okay, I'll be giving the answers in writing. Thank you, children.